Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willow. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 435, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoney, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willow. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 435 has been issued from 1:55 p.m. to daylight time.
You gonna put that in YouTube? Yes? Go on YouTube.
Following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana,
Or do they only go off until you tell them to?
Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas,
What?
and Wayne,
You
and
put the
Avon
button in.
Point
Are you
to
crazy?
Willow.
Yeah. Woo.